Hey, good morning, Saturday, 24th of May. Five stocks I want to talk about on the for the next week after Memorial Day. And just my thoughts on them. So Snowflake, I own this stock. My average way down there at like 149. Long-term play, gapped up on earnings, expected to consolidate. Probably retest the 190s or so, come back up and break here 52 week highs actually. So we'll see if it keeps the bullish run. I won't start selling until like I like to see it at 250 or so to de-risk. So it gets to it'll be at max size at that point. So we'll see how it goes with Snowflake. It's been a great company for me. Long term play. XYZ, same concept. This one's been lagging for a while now. Has to do probably last earnings they weren't good, so just gapped down and then has been lagging ever since. It just caught in a range here from 44s and and it's 65s or so. I mean, yeah. So it's ever since you can see gap down both earnings back in February and then in May as well. So it actually finally found a bid at the 45 area. It's been coming up ever since. My average is I think it's like 62 bucks. So I'm down a little bit on it, but it actually crossed the 50 days, forming this flag over here. If I were to trade this, and I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just my idea, my concept. Everybody has to do their own diligence, their own, you know, their own research. But anyways, as a trade, obviously you can see it has a resistance at the 60 level. So if somebody can get the shares at around 58, 59, risking 55, so you're risking $4, and then 63 1 to 1, 67 2 to 1, and maybe 71 retest at the 200-day for 3 to 1. So that'll be an idea just to put out there. Now, PDYN, I don't own it. I used to trade it back here, but I like the way it's been firming up all these months ever since April, putting higher lows here, clearly on an uptrend, and it crossed the 50-day again. So I'm gonna try to get some shares at around seven, below 750, be fine, just a starter maybe. And then, we'll start accumulating. Hopefully, it doesn't go crazy and with my starter. But yeah, I like the pattern. I like what it's doing. It's one of those robotics, our serve has been doing really well. This one is a little bit in comparison to serve, and it's lagging a little bit. Um, because you can see serve here, look at the chart. Well, it's clearly performing better from those lows. I might be wrong, but it's over the 200-day. You know what? Serve actually came crashing down. So yeah, it makes sense that it's kind of outperforming lately. But this one, is more steady. I like it. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore you anymore with this. Yeah, I'm trying to get in. And then look, this is probably a longer term play, 10, 12s, and let it run. I got FCEL, don't own it. Saw the big spike on Friday. I like it. The plan is to try and get it in the low fives, starters, and build a position. Maybe you can run a few bucks there. Risk over here be this low over here 450. Putting on about 60 cents risk, and probably looking for like 150 $2 reward on that one. Um, It's known to be a runner. Another one that's, it's a peer there. It's plug, but it's really, really lagging, man. We'll see if it wakes up. And then, finally, I got a INDO, just a speculative play. I'm not investing in this stock here. So then again, higher lows. I mean, it's high, yeah, higher lows coming up ever since April. Trying to break out this zone here, 270. I'm a little bit down. I've been accumulating at the 270 area because I started accumulating here on this downtrend. That was kind of dumb. But ideally you want it to break out and then go to threes. This one is used to like crazy run ups. You look at the past here. You got the 220 to like six in like what, maybe 3, 4, 5 days. So, and they do have plans for the end of the year. Some drilling going on, some stuff there. Their oil company from Indonesia. We'll see what happens, but that's the idea there. And then quickly, very quickly, some that I want to mention. What is it? SEDG. Has been killed with the Trump tax reforms. Not helping solar, but I like it for the long term. And you got the CLBT. I like this triple bottom here, right here. It might just start come back up. It's clearly there's a support there at 16. And yeah, that's about it. You guys take care. Have a good weekend. Then again, not a financial advisor. Don't follow my advice. Just putting out some of my thoughts out there. Take